Hi Team Angie, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana. So today I'm back with yet another interesting vlog, and I'm here to educate my girlies. Where my girlies at? Where are you at? Kama we ni Charlie and you're here, you need to share this video to your girlfriend immediately. Yeah, so I'm here to plug you all and to show you how to apply press-on nails at home. One thing about me, I will slay on a budget. Yes, and I want to extend this to you, to my online family, because you're not my family. So stick around, don't go anywhere. Just hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and don't forget to leave a comment. So what you've seen is what you need, and you're supposed to buy that specific glue, that YDT glue, because it's best for press-on nails. When you use it, it will make your nails to stay much longer. So let's start by filing our nails, yeah, because our nail has to be rough, yeah. So keep it here. Let's learn something new. So the next thing we're gonna do is, after you're done filing the nails, like your natural nails, wipe off the dust with a piece of cloth, and then now you proceed to your press-on nails. You have to file your press-on nails, because when both of the nails are rough and you put glue in between, it will incorporate very, very nicely, and it will make your nails to stay much longer. So both of your nails have to be rough. You're not supposed to wash. So right here, I'm just buffing my nails. You buff kidogo, kama bado kuna dust, you just buff a bit, and then now you head over to file your press-on nails, so that both of the nails are rough and we can have our press-on stay much longer.
Mwanga wa jua unatupiga, mikono yangu nakupa. Angela, wewe ni wa kipekee, tutacheza tukiwa pamoja.
So this particular step applies to the nails that have cuticles. If your nails have cuticles, or if some nails have cuticles, you use this particular stick to push the cuticles inside, so that they cannot interfere with the press-on nail. Yeah, so you can use even a toothpick. You just push the cuticles inside, and make sure you do it nicely so that you cannot hurt yourself. And then now we can proceed to apply our nails. So you will put some glue on your natural nail and on the press-on nail, then you will apply. After applying, you hold for about 10 seconds and then you can wipe off the excess glue, just like I'm doing. And then you can even check on the underneath the nail. Use the toothpick, use the same stick to remove excess glue. But just know that when you have applied the nail, hold for about 10 seconds. You put some glue on your natural nail, some glue on the press-on nail, you apply and then hold on for 10 seconds. Yeah, so that will make your press-on nails to stay much longer. Would you look at that? Oh my God, I'm loving the results already. I'm loving the results. You need to look like this. If you're a girl, you must have your nails on point. So at this point, I was super, super tired. Mind you, I'm using my left hand to apply with nails on. I'm right-handed. So imagine I'm using my left hand to apply. I'm my own videographer. I have to follow up. I have to make sure everything is okay. Yeah. So I was so tired. I was just like, I'll have to show you my left hand for today. Then I'll apply my right hand off camera because I was so tired and I couldn't keep up with all that. So I guess I'll show you my left hand for today, and make sure you try out because you can get press-on nails anywhere, at beauty shops, at you can even tell your nail tech to make for you, to create some for you. Yeah, so make sure you slay on a budget. I mean, being a girl, you have ufai kukaa kama mwanaume. You're supposed to look nice, okay? So right up, coming right up is results.